Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best mini PCs of 2026. Mini PCs have evolved a lot. They're compact, powerful, and versatile. Whether you need a PC for home, office, education, or light gaming, these mini computers can handle it. In this video, we'll go through each model, cover their specifications, performance, pros and cons, and help you figure out which one fits your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC. Processor: AMD Ryzen 4300U, up to 3.7 GHz, outperforms 3500U, 3550H, and N150/N95. Memory and storage: 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD. Display support: triple 4K via HDMI plus DP plus Type-C. Connectivity: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet. The Pinova P2 is an excellent choice for home and business users. The Ryzen 4300U offers strong multitasking performance, and the triple 4K display support is perfect for productivity setups like spreadsheets, multiple browsers, and office applications. The compact design doesn't compromise connectivity. You get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet. However, integrated graphics means it's not ideal for heavy gaming or video rendering. Pros: strong performance for multitasking, triple 4K display support, excellent connectivity. Cons: limited gaming capability, no peripherals included. Number 2. ACEMAGIC K1 Mini PC. Processor: AMD Ryzen 4300U, up to 3.7 GHz. Memory and storage: 8 GB DDR4 RAM, 256 GB SSD. Display support: triple 4K via USB-C. Extras: Ethernet, VESA mountable. The ACEMAGIC K1 is sleek and compact, ideal for home offices or light productivity tasks. The triple 4K USB-C is a standout feature for multi-monitor setups. It handles everyday tasks such as browsing, video calls, and office software smoothly. The 8 GB RAM is sufficient for most tasks, but might require an upgrade for more demanding applications. Storage is 256 GB, which is okay for daily use, but may fill up if you store large files. Pros: compact and attractive design, triple 4K USB-C support, good performance for everyday tasks. Cons: RAM could be higher for multitasking, limited storage. Number 3. KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC. Processor: Intel Core 1445HX, 10 cores, 16 threads, up to 4.8 GHz. Memory and storage: 16 GB RAM, 512 GB NVMe SSD. Display support: triple 4K via HDMI, DP, and USB-C. Use case: office, business, and light gaming. The Hyper H2 is a high-performance mini PC. Its Intel Core 1445HX can handle demanding applications, including multiple virtual machines, heavy office workloads, and light gaming. With triple 4K display support, NVMe SSD, and 16 GB RAM, this PC is perfect for power users who need performance in a compact form factor. It's slightly bulkier than other mini PCs, but that's a small trade-off for the processing power you get. Pros: extremely powerful for a mini PC, triple 4K display support, fast NVMe storage. Cons: slightly larger footprint than typical mini PCs. Number 4. KAMRUI Pinova P1 Mini PC. Processor: AMD Ryzen 4300U. Memory and storage: 16 GB DDR4 RAM, 256 GB SSD. Display support: triple 4K via USB-C, HDMI. Connectivity: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet. The Pinova P1 is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise performance for everyday use. It handles office software, web browsing, streaming, and light content creation smoothly. The 256GB SSD is enough for standard tasks, though you may need external storage if you handle large files. Triple 4K display support makes it suitable for multi-monitor setups, and connectivity options are solid for home or office setups. Pros: affordable and reliable, triple 4K support, compact design. Cons: storage may require expansion. Integrated graphics limit heavy workloads. Number 5. GMKtec G10 Mini PC. Processor: Ryzen 5 3500U beats N150/4300U/3200U. Memory and storage: 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD. Display support: triple 4K via HDMI, DP, and Type-C. Connectivity: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN, and USB-C PD. The GMKtec G10 is great for office work, home use, and HTPC setups. Its Ryzen 5 processor provides smooth performance for multitasking, and triple 4K display support makes it a good fit for multi-monitor setups. Extra features like 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN and USB-C PD support give it a slight edge for professional setups. It's reliable, compact, and performs well in a wide range of scenarios. Pros: strong all-around performance, triple 4K display support, excellent connectivity, including 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN. Cons: integrated graphics are limited for heavy gaming, slightly higher price than similar Ryzen 4300U Mini PCs. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 best Mini PCs of 2026. Each of these mini computers offers great performance, compact design, and solid features depending on your needs, whether it's for home use, office work, or productivity setups. If you want the best overall performance, the KAMRUI Hyper H2 is a strong choice. For balanced performance and value, the KAMRUI Pinova P2 and GMKtec G10 are excellent options. And if you're looking for something budget-friendly, the Pinova P1 and ACEMAGIC K1 are worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.